What's up, guys? It's Ihsaan with the StyleJumper. I'm doing something a little different. I was having a conversation with one of my best friends, and I was teaching him how to use Lightroom by Adobe. So I decided, because I was recording my screen and sharing this with him, I thought it'd be a great opportunity for me to share it with the channel. So take a listen and a look. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope you really like this. And if this is something you'd like to see more often, let me know in the comments. This is a rough, it's not super edited or anything like that. It's just me teaching my boy, and then at the same time, I thought it'd be great to share it with you. Let me know what you think about it. If this is something you want to see again, leave it in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.
All right, guys, here's a quick tutorial on Lightroom. So you can tell the difference here in these photos, right? This one, and this one, and this one. So first thing I'm gonna do, I always usually start with light, and I increase my exposure just a little bit. And I start looking at shadows, because either it's shadows because we're dark people, or it's shadows because the light itself. So I'm trying to raise that a little bit, and also touch on the highlights. Bring that up a little bit. Then look at my whites. Bring that up. Now it's kind of faded, but we'll get back to it and make that look more rich. So then I go to my effects, and I start with clarity, and then I go over to my dehaze, bring that up as well, and let's see what texture look like. That's the texture. And so to me it's still a little dark, so I'm gonna go back to light. Bump up my exposure, and I'm gonna touch up my contrast a little bit, give it a little more color. Then I'm actually gonna go into colors and look at my vibrance. Maybe these colors pop a little bit here. So actually that saturation was bumped at 8%, +8. Vibrance around the same. So those colors are already starting to change, right? Then I'm gonna go back to effects, and the dehaze makes it a little darker, but I like that. And then usually I'm throwing a touch of vignette to make my edges darker and pull in the color around you. So now if we look at the before and after, original, updated version, big difference, right? All right, here we go. We're done, bro. Oh, I think I made it darker by accident. So I'll just go here, do that curve arrow or undo. And right back where we want to be. Final before, final image. Big difference. Then I might just for sake of sanity, go back to my light, pull my exposure up just a little bit more, pull my shadows just a little bit more, and then highlights. Perfect. So now, two different photos. And I want to go back one more time. Actually, I'm going to go to lights, and then go to black, and take that down just a touch, so it can pop a little bit. Pull my white up a little bit. I like that. Unbelievable. And sometimes most people end up tossing these pictures away because it doesn't look good, but with a little bit of editing, you save this photo and it looks great.
Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave it in the comments below. Please subscribe. If you like this content, share it with your stylish friends. We'll see you next time.